Good morning and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 20th of September. A few weeks ago, we went long tallow oil, and unfortunately what has happened since is that its earnings disappointed. And you can see here the share price dipped, actually more than dipped, it fell by 10% before stabilizing. But interestingly enough, it actually held at its May to September uptrend line. We are still long in our trade because we had our stop loss below the August low at 31.5 pence. And as long as that doesn't get taken out, we remain bullish with regards to tallow oil because the trend is your friend, and we still have a series of higher lows in place at the moment, despite that huge drop we saw before. So that's why we have stop losses in place to protect potential moves against us. But at the same time, we want to let our profits run if we can. And perhaps we'll come back into profit on this share in the days and weeks ahead. Who knows? Moving on to last week's Trading the Trend. And here what we did is that we jumped onto the bandwagon of this ascent we saw in the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. And you can see here we are still in positive territory on this trade. If you bought with us in that sort of area, maybe you can raise your take profit level to break even that, thereby basically if you were to get stopped out, you wouldn't lose any money, and you can either get out now with a small profit or you can let it run. Maybe we're going to head towards the 149 yen area or so before the Bank of Japan might actually intervene around the 150 mark. So this trade is also still ongoing. And today what I would like to do is do something similar here with regards to the oil price. I'm aware that the oil price has recently risen by about 16%, but we are short-term coming off here and consolidating ahead of today's FOMC meeting with the Fed not expected to hike its rates. But since the trend is very strong here, what I would do is buy on any minor retracement such as the current one here, WTI, and perhaps do so with a stop loss below the 8th of September low at $85.70 and an upside target around the $98, $90 mark, or $99 mark. Today's Trading the Trend is to go long crude oil and do so on WTI on a minor retracement lower, and do so with a stop loss at $85.70 and an upside target of between $97 and $99.